Air dominance is now vertical ecosystem. Fighters rule high, drones own low. Victory goes to who dominate both.
This is no longer about which fighter is better. This is about which nation controls both of them.
For a century, air superiority was simple. Destroy enemy fighters, suppress air defenses, control the sky. That formula worked from World War II through Desert Storm. It no longer applies. The battle now begins weeks before takeoff, through satellites, cyber operations, electronic warfare, and logistics targeting. Information has become the first weapon. Modern battlefields are transparent. Satellite, AWACS, island platforms, and thousands of drones map every airbase, fuel depot, shelter, and runway from orbit. Stealth aircraft may evade radar in flight, but they cannot hide on the ground. Every fighter depends on concrete. Without an intact runway, the most advanced aircraft is useless. Precision missiles, cruise missiles, and long-range drones now strike bases from thousands of kilometers away. Why chase the fighter when you can destroy the runway? This is the new reality. Air superiority is no longer a platform competition. It is a systems competition. Surviving the first strike is now more important than winning the first dogfight. Doctrine is shifting to dispersed basing, highway operations, and rapid runway repair. Infrastructure protection and logistics resilience are now as critical as aerial kill ratios. Below 20,000 feet, the rules are different. Drones do not win through speed or maneuverability. They win through persistence, numbers, and continuous presence. A fighter can stay on station for a limited time. Drones loiter for hours, streaming live video, monitoring every movement, and striking with precision when targets appear. Recent conflicts have demonstrated this clearly. Reconnaissance drones identify troop movements. FPV drones destroy armored vehicles, loitering munitions hunt artillery, and electronic warfare drones jam communications. Each platform is simple. Together, they create an aerial network that overwhelms defenses through persistence and scale. Economic asymmetry is critical. Losing one fifth-generation fighter is catastrophic. Losing dozens of tactical drones is acceptable. Quantity becomes an operational advantage when supported by intelligent networking and rapid production. The battlefield never sleeps because the drone layer never disappears. Drone air superiority provides persistent surveillance, continuous pressure, and tactical awareness across the lower battle space. It does not replace fighter superiority. It complements it. The drone revolution now extends to air-to-air combat. Turkey Bayraktar Kizilelma became the first UCAV to fire a beyond visual range air-to-air missile in November 2025. The United States is fielding YFQ-42A and YFQ-44, a collaborative combat aircraft with fighter designations designed to carry AIM-120 class missiles alongside F-22 and F-35. China GJ-11 stealth drone flies alongside J-20, and the J-20's two-seat variant is being developed with a dedicated drone commander in the rear seat. Australia MQ-28, a Ghost Bat, downed an aerial target with an AMRAAM in December 2025, while Europe FCAS and GCAP programs are incorporating unmanned wingmen. Air-to-air capable drones are no longer experimental. They are entering operational service across multiple nations. Fighters are not obsolete. Their role has shifted. They were once designed solely to shoot down enemy aircraft. Now they function as sensor nodes, airborne command centers, and communications gateways. The F-35 is not just a shooter. It collects, processes, and distributes information across the battlefield. The F-22 still dominates through stealth, supercruise, and sensor integration. China's J-20 is designed for network coordination, not just missiles. Next-generation programs like NGAD and CCA are designed as families of systems, not single aircraft. The manned fighter operates alongside autonomous collaborative combat aircraft, sharing targeting data, electronic warfare tasks, and missile engagements. The pilot becomes a mission commander, not a lone warrior. Fighters remain the only platform that combines speed, altitude, payload, and survivability to penetrate heavily contested airspace. Their value lies not just in missiles, but in their ability to integrate information from satellites, drones, ships, and ground forces into a coherent operational picture. Without other layers, they are blind. With other layers, they are irreplaceable. The sky is not one battlefield. It is a vertical ecosystem with two dominant layers working in parallel. Fighter layer high altitude are manned fighters and high altitude UAV control contested airspace, engage enemy aircraft, and coordinate long-range strikes. They provide high-speed response, strategic payload delivery, and command authority over the battle space. This layer wins through speed, altitude, sensors, and networked lethality. Drone layer low to medium altitude, where the autonomous swarms, loyal wingmen, loitering munitions, and reconnaissance drones provide persistent surveillance, electronic warfare, target acquisition, and tactical strike capability. They win through endurance, numbers, and continuous presence. They saturate the battle space, making it impossible for the enemy to move without detection. These two layers do not compete. They complement each other. Fighters protect drones from enemy air defenses. Drones extend fighter sensor coverage and missile capacity. Satellites above provide ISR and communication. Ground-based air defenses below protect infrastructure. Electronic warfare binds all layers together by shaping how information flows across the electromagnetic spectrum. The strength lies in the connections between layers. Remove one, and the entire system weakens. Old doctrine was simple: destroy enemy fighters, suppress SAMs, and the skies are yours. That worked when air combat itself was the decisive contest. Today, satellites, drones, cyber, and electronic warfare shape the battlefield before fighters ever take off. Fighter air superiority secures the high layer. Drone air superiority secures the low layer through persistence. Neither replaces the other, they complement each other. Above them, satellites provide intelligence. Below them, ground defenses protect infrastructure. And electronic warfare binds everything together. The future of air warfare is no longer about which fighter is superior. It is about which nation controls the greatest number of layers in the sky. The real question is, who controls the entire air superiority ecosystem?